Hi everyone, welcome to this session on reinforcement learning in recommendation systems. I am Bhushan, and in this session we are going to explore how reinforcement learning, or simply we can call it RL, can take a product recommendation to the next level. It helping businesses to boost sell and keeping user are more satisfied. Let's dive into it, how this is exciting area of AI is powering the smarter real-time recommendation today. And before we get into the reinforcement learning, let's understand what is recommendation systems are. So you have been using them everywhere, like a Netflix suggestion, your next movie, Amazon recommending some kind of the products, YouTube lining of what it will be your next video. This system aims to suggest relevant items based on what the user has liked, watched or bought. There are main goals are enhance user experience by personalizing what's shown, drive more engagement, and of course, increase the sale and the retention. Traditionally, this system uses a method like a collaborative filtering or content-based filtering. But as we'll see next, reinforcement learning adds powerful twist. What is reinforcement learning? In simple terms, reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns by doing. It interacts with the environment, take action and get a feedback in form of rewards. Let's break down it. First is agent. Agent is what? The learner or decision maker. Then environment, what agent interacts with, and then action, what the agent chooses to do. Reward is what? Feedback that tells agents if it is treated well. Over a time, the agent learns maximize reward by improving its strategy. Think of it like a training a dog. You give it to treat when it follow the command. The feedback helps it learn, and RL works similarly to accept this algorithm. Now, why apply RL recommendation system? And here are the magic. Traditional recommendation systems treat each interaction as an independent, but in real life, user behavior is dynamic and changing over the time. So reinforcement learning on the other hand can adapt in real time to how user behaves, user long-term rewards, not just the instant click but the continued satisfaction. It learns from user feedback like a clicks, time spent or purchases. So instead of just optimizing for one good suggestion, it learns to make a sequence of smart suggestions that keep the user happy over a time. Let's map some RL setup to a recommendation system. The agent is a recommendation engine. It's trying to pick the best item to show. The environment is a user and the catalog of item, which is always changing. The action is a recommending a specific product, movie, song, etc. And the reward is what the user does, a click, purchase, like, or even how they long stay on the page. And the goal is to learn the strategy. We call this is a policy that maximize the total rewards over time. This lets the system personalize result and improve continuously as more the data comes in. Now let's talk about where this is used. Many big companies are already used reinforcement learning for a recommendation system. Netflix adjusts your homepage in real time based on your watch patterns. Amazon, it recommends the item based on the past click and the purchases and updates your browsers. Spotify, it changes the playlist using the feedback and listening the sessions. Even the YouTube fine-tunes its video feed using the variation of RL algorithm. It's all about learning what users like as they interact, not just from the historical data. Now, what are the main benefits of using reinforcement learning in recommendation system? Let's understand it. First one is the adaptivity. Adaptivity is what? The system adjusts to user behavior even if it changes from the session to session. Then personalization. RL tailors suggestion uniquely to each user. Then higher sales. Smarter suggestion can lead to better conversion and learning over the time. It doesn't just optimize for click, it learns from the action over a time. Then long-term impact. The model focuses on user lifetime value, not just a single interaction. And this makes the RL based system much smarter and the more effective in long run. Now it's time to summarize what we have covered today. So recommendation systems are essential for the digital businesses. They help user to find what they want and drive revenue. And traditional systems are effective, but reinforcement learning adds a dynamic intelligence. RL helps model to learn from real-time feedback, adapt to user behavior, and improve over time. Companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify are already using the reinforcement learning to personalize and optimize recommendation system. So if you are building a smart app or platform, integrating the reinforcement learning can truly elevate your experience and the business outcome. And thank you so much for watching this session on reinforcement learning and recommendation system. I am Bhushan, and I hope this session helped you understand the powerful combining the AI with personalization. Until next time, stay curious, keep experimenting, and keep building the smart solution. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching the video. Our knowledge partners, certification alliances, and curriculum creators are. Join our popular courses and get an immersive learning experience as we proudly serve as a global trailblazing training solutions provider, dealing with grinding a revolution in upskilling by offering comprehensive and specialized training programs. Following are our services: instructor-led virtual training, on-site training, corporate training, exclusive and individual training, self-paced training, classroom training, customized training, campus training. To know more about our courses, visit our website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video.